The 211 house by MIDE Architects is a one-story residence in the province of Padua, Italy, that combines simplicity with a strong indoor-outdoor connection, nestled within a lush park setting. The house features horizontal volumes unified by a flat roof, creating a clean, linear silhouette. A large porch extends from the living area, forming a seamless visual transition to the landscape. Constructed primarily of concrete, the house is designed for stability and integration with its surroundings. The flat roof enhances spatial unity and creates an extended canopy for outdoor shelter. The layout is open, centering on a glass-enclosed living area that merges directly with the porch. Living and dining spaces are connected with private rooms arranged for privacy on the opposite side. Abundant natural light fills the interiors, entering through large windows and light wells. These elements enhance the ambience and integrate the home with the surrounding park. Concrete and Venetian terrazzo define the palette, offering a mix of durability and refinement. The terrazzo floors add a textured visual element that complements the concrete structure. The decor is minimal, focusing on natural tones and clean lines. This choice enhances the home's simplicity and allows the natural landscape to serve as a primary visual focus. The garden flows directly from the porch, creating an outdoor extension of the living area. The surrounding park enhances the natural ambience, reinforcing the house's connection to nature. The 211 house achieves a serene balance of simplicity, modernity, and nature. Its open design and restrained materials create a seamless living experience that feels in harmony with the park landscape.